Okay, travel adapters. We travel with these everywhere we go. Even in the United States, although this is really made for like overseas and everything like that, we travel with these everywhere. We each have one here. This is the box it came in. We just came here. See it right there. There'll be a link down below too. And why do we do that? It has everything we need. If you guys know when you go to hotel rooms and stuff like that, there's never enough plugins. And if there's one by the bed, you need a couple, maybe one, because we're always going to have one for, we were at one the other day that had two on the whole side, and one was for a lamp and the other was for the night clock. There was nothing on that side of the room, so you could put this in here. And what this is it's for everywhere around the country. And what you do is in the US or Australia, pull this out. In Australia, they're angled. In the US, you just turn them straight. If you're in Australia, if you're down under, you know, there you go. You know that. Put it back in. In the UK, you got the UK adapters. And most of Europe, and this one is in part of Asia. And this one here is in part of Asia too, but the rest of Europe has that. This will get you 99% of anywhere in the world, this adapter. But what does it have? It has everything you saw these here, you know, you can plug in back here. So whatever adapter you have, you can just plug in here, and so you got a plug-in adapter. But you also have USB-C on the side, two more USB-C on the bottoms, and two regular USB. So very, very, very versatile here. And this is, even says, I'll guys let you look at the power. It will high-speed charge. I have high-speed charge 2 devices at once with this. Third, I do not know if you'll get enough out of that, but definitely since me and my wife each carry one, we're good. And normally we just use this for overnight and stuff like that too. So you can still plug a normal thing in there and use your adapters over here. That is why we travel these everywhere, so we don't have to worry. When I travel, sometimes I do also carry a small power strip, but I don't carry that everywhere. Most of the time I just carry one of these, save space, and I'm good to go. I hope that was useful. Again, there'll be a link for this down below. If you found this useful, please give it a like. I do appreciate that. And if you like it, subscribe. I appreciate that too. And I hope everybody has a great day.